Are you tired of trying to figure out how to repair your rusty metal roof? In this video of the Tools Doctor, we are going to show you a simple yet effective way to fix it without any hassle. Step 1. Cleaning the roof. Before starting any repairs, cleaning the roof is a must. Use a pressure washer or a scrub brush along with a mixture of water and detergent to remove any dirt, debris and visible mold. It is important to wear protective clothing when cleaning the roof since chemicals in the detergent can be hazardous. Step 2. Repairing holes and cracks. After cleaning the roof, inspect it for any holes or cracks that require repairs. Use urethane roof cement and steel roofing mesh to fill in any gaps or cracks before applying a rust inhibitor. To apply the cement, spread it over the area with a trowel or putty knife, then press down firmly until it's secure. Place steel mesh over the cement, then apply more urethane cement over it. Step 3. Neutralizing rust. Rust is a major problem for metal roofs, and it can continue to corrode the roof if not neutralized. To stop rust from spreading, use a paintbrush or roller to coat all areas that have been repaired with a rust inhibitor such as Corroseal Rust Converter. This will neutralize any existing rust so that it doesn't continue to corrode your metal roof. Step 4. Painting the roof. After completing all necessary repairs and neutralizing the rust, it's time to start painting the roof. For best results, use an oil-based paint specifically designed for metal roofs, such as Cool Seal Metal Roof Coating Paint. Apply 2 coats of paint using either a brush or sprayer for even coverage. That's all for today. See you in the next one.